Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap the nozzle on Anycubic Kobra S1 Max 3D printer. Let's scratch today's troubleshoot. 3D printers these days have some sort of nozzles like these, where the nozzle is built right into this block right here. And all you have to do is just put this right into the heatsink. Then you use a couple pins, you just lock it in place, and now you are ready to print. Swapping nozzle these days take less than a minute if you know exactly what you're doing. I will also provide some links in the description down below. So if you need some new nozzle, you can go ahead and grab it. These nozzles are not like the old nozzle where the nozzle comes with itself. Then you have to screw it into the block. Sometimes you may over screw it and then the threads inside of the block is gonna break, or the nozzle head broke off, which happens to me a lot in the past. You just slap it into a 3D printer, close a couple pins, and you are ready for printing. But enough of that, let me show you how it is done. The first thing you want to do is just take off the cover. It's held on by magnet, so you just need to pop it off like that. Then you want to remove this silicone sock right here. The nozzle is held on by these two pins right here. The first thing you want to do is open the right pin first, or like that. Open the left pin. And now you want to open the heatsink and just pull out the nozzle like that. This can be open. It has a spring back there to unlock it back in there, but you just open and the nozzle should just pop out easily like that. And if we take a look at the nozzle there, you can see that in the middle, it has an indentation right there. That is gonna go in this small slot right here, and it's gonna lock in the nozzle, preventing this nozzle to move anywhere. So to install this, we just want to open up the heatsink, put in the nozzle in there, make sure that it sits in there, let go of the heatsink, and if you cannot move the nozzle up and down, that means that it's in the correct place. Now you want to lock in the left hand side, and now push in the right hand side, just like that. And now the nozzle is locked in there and it's not gonna go anywhere. Now that it's in there, we just want to put in the silicone sock like that. And now we just put in the cover and we are finished with installing a brand new nozzle. That can take less than 30 seconds. As you saw there, swapping nozzles for the Kobra S1 Max is really easy. All you need to do is just open the heatsink, put in the throat up to the heatsink, close it, and then just lock in the two pin and you are ready for printing. Of course, put in the silicone socket as well. Hopefully you are able to switch nozzles for your 3D printers now. I will leave some links for the nozzle in the description down below, so if you ever need replacement, you can just go ahead and purchase it. That'll be it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe because more amazing stuff like this is coming. And let me know in the comments down below, do you prefer these newer type of nozzle or do you prefer the old one where you have to screw it in? And if you have yet become a member of the YouTube channel, it helps me tremendously. And as always, keep on 3D printing.